Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Wi-Fi on, no VPN, and local network permission granted, because Discovery needs multicast and MDNS. Once done, open Localsend and set a clear device name so peers recognize you. Tap Discover and let the app scan. You should see nearby devices broadcasting. If nothing appears, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or one is in hotspot mode. This gets the connection handshake going, which Localsend uses to negotiate a direct transfer. Now you pick what to send. Use the app file picker or the iOS share sheet because Localsend integrates with both. Select multiple items by tapping each. Large batches will queue. When a peer appears, tap to connect and exchange the auto-generated code or scan a QR to verify identity. This prevents accidental transfers. Accept the incoming prompt on the receiver. As files stream over, watch progress bars. Localsend retries small failures automatically, so transfers are robust even across brief network blips. Finish by confirming transfers. Check photos or files and use OpenIn to relocate items into folders you control. Once transfers complete, tap Done to free resources and, if desired, clear received items from Localsend history for privacy. If something goes wrong, try common fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi, disable VPN, or restart the app. Rebooting the iPhone solves many MDNS issues. Also, use QR code pairing when devices are on different subnets, because that step bypasses some discovery restrictions and ensures a direct session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.